Today, students from across the region gathered at the College of Eastern Idaho for a competition. More than 40 students from 8 different Eastern Idaho schools showed up for a 3D design and fabrication competition conducted by the Idaho STEM Action Center. Students had to create a 3D printed object that would better the lives of people living with either a hearing or vision impairment. Competition judges looked for skill and creativity in the students' use of the scientific method for design, creative solutions, and dedication to solving real-world problems and interdisciplinary approaches to doing so.
This is a great opportunity for students to really apply their learning in really weird and cool and innovative ways. 3D printing is scalable to the classroom, and it allows students to have sort of a tangible material to create, to apply their learning, and to bring new life to potential future careers.
We'll hear more from a group of students that took part in the competition tomorrow on KPVI News Weekend Edition.